Hey guys, welcome to the 14th multiplayer tutorial in our series, and today we'll be working on the administrator tool. This is what we'll be using for our server when people are logged in or anything like that. Right now I'm not connected to the internet, but it will still work. So to get to administrator admin tool, go into your SmartFox folder, which is where you put it when you downloaded it, SmartFox server, and click admin 2. Make sure that this server is up, server address or server port, and we want to log in. The server IP address will be 127.0.0.1 if you're not connected to anything. If you are, it will be your 1PV4 address, which will be 192.168.0 point something, and the default port is 9339. We can change this in this when we log in if we want. The username is sfs underscore admin, and the password is sfs underscore pass. That is the default. That's the default username and password. So that's the password, and this is the username. And when we press submit, it will log in. Warning message: you're using the default admin password. Please change it as soon as possible. Just click close. Don't press that. Press close. This is the status, the server status. It will show you all these statistics like different zones, rooms, users. It will say one user because I'm the one user logged in, and well, these will tell you how many times you restarted it, and you can refresh, change information. The uptime 32 minutes. The server has been up for 32 minutes. You can pause the server, restart it, do different stuff here. Then in the zone browser, these are the different zones. These came in with the SmartFox server along with all the other examples. This is the ban manager for all the users that you ban, which should not be any. This is the logs, which is basically the same thing, server ready. Extensions with Rebox monitor, and this is the button to log out. But inside here, the config.xml, this is where we deal with all the different zones and rules. So it starts off with SmartFox Pro. Well, all these things between this two dashes and that arrow are comments. So this won't be checked because this is actually coded text, but these are comments. So you try not to make anything here. Just always keep make backup tick, so when we save it, because it won't save unless you press this to save, it will make a backup in case you mess it up. You can just go to the backup. It back in this folder where it says admin tool. If we go back down in the server folder, there's config xml document, and you can right click and click edit, and I think this template is the backup, or well, maybe. But back in here, this is where we'd actually change everything. Right here you can see server IP, that's an asterisk, meaning any IP will do, and the server port is 9339. You should not put it to asterisk, meaning anything, so you can change it to whatever port you want, like 8080, but that person must have port forwarded with that as well, or you can put as 25 or 26533, but I'll leave mine at 9339. now you can just check through these things and read what it actually is. These variables, well, they're pretty upfront. So maximum var is -1. I think that means unlimited. Oh yeah, look, it's in the comments here. -1 equals unlimited. So you can read the comments which are in these things, and you can scroll down to barword filter, which there are these um, default words that you can just add more by for bad words by copying it, pasting, and changing it to a bad word that you think you don't want anyone saying in your server. And you know, for bad words to be true, you need to say bad words filter active equals true. So whenever they say a bad word, it will be filtered instead. So if we go down a little bit, under where available options are find config info warning severe, you can see in comments administrator login and administrator login, which is the username. you, you can change this to whatever you would like, so I change it to Danny14, and the password you can change it to whatever you like, so I will change it as well. And these are the allowed IP addresses, any numbers for with a dots with. But this is pretty upfront, so you can go through this for yourself. And these are the zones configuration with the different zones. Um, well, the first zone is a zone called Online World. The room names, which are the number of rooms in that zone. The world max users 2,500. Private is false. Temporary auto join. So you can probably just copy one of these things, but you have to copy from zone name all the way down to /zone. Copy that and paste it below and change up whatever things you want. So these are all the zones: FS Chess, Maze Game, Multi-Chat, Yaxi, Slogan Pixel. You can also delete one of these zones if you don't want it there. So I've taken out the Pixel zone, but of course I need to save it first. And these zones have the rooms, their rooms first before extensions, different things like that. And well, that's it. So whenever you're finished, you can just press save config. Configuration saved successfully, and go back to your server status, see any changes, or you can log out. An error occurred, connection with server was lost, it will say that. So that's it. In the admin tool, that's where you can change your different things. And this is the SmartFox documentation in one of the classes. I'm not connected to the internet, but this page was loaded. In the corner here, they show different like variables used by SmartFox, and you can click on it and it will show you how to use it. For instance, create NPC, ban users, kick user, disconnect, remove management, different stuff that you may find interesting in your game. But that's it for this tutorial. So leave a thumbs up. If you have any more questions, you can comment it below. We work on health, probably kicking users next. But for now, see you guys later. Bye.